Despite the genocide of our people,
despite centuries of assimilation,
despite the loss of cultural identity, there is hope.
Native hope. Every day, we strive to provide much-needed resources to Native American children and their families.
Food,
Clothing,
baby items,
basic necessities, opportunities.
a platform to share stories.
Native Hope has made a difference in the lives of thousands of Native Americans.
But we can't do this important work without you. How do we acknowledge centuries of injustice?
How do we heal generational trauma?
How do we dismantle barriers?
Together.
We are Native Hope. Visit nativehope.org to learn more.